What's up, guys? Welcome back to another community crypto video. Could this be the end and the start of the sinking Titanic? Or do you think we're just going to consolidate and bounce back up? Get ready for the video, guys. In yesterday's video, I stated that we'd probably do a double bottom, come up and retest this previous support line, which is now resistance. This was a long-term trend line on the daily. If you go to the daily, you would see that we bounced off before and we've broken, and it looks like that we've been rejected on the daily now. So we've hit this as a retest and we could come back down. So on the 1 hour, we could still be bullish though. So I'll zoom into the chart. We could be getting higher highs and higher lows. So even though we've come back down, we've hit this support line, it's become resistance. We've come back down to the neckline here. We could, depending on the next 3 or 4 hours, if we get a morning star pattern here or we get a hammer here, bullish engulfing, we could go up. So it looks like we could still be making higher highs and higher lows. So if I just place these for you guys. So HL means a higher low, and then HH will be a higher high. So higher high. And higher lows. So this here would just be a low. If I make another one. Okay, so you can still see we're in an uptrend. We've got a low, a high, higher low, higher high, and a higher low. So we could still be in an uptrend, making another higher high up to the 53,000 level. If we come further back down and we bounce off this again, we could see another rally back up to the upside. So in the short term, we probably could come back up to the $53,000 mark. A lot of people will be watching this area. If we break the 53,000 and we consolidate above it, then a lot of people will be putting in long positions because we would be back in this support line, this long-term support trend line. So if we go back to the daily, if we break up above this line and then come back down and make it another support line again and then go further up, we would probably do a quick rally and make higher highs again. So if we go up again here, then we'd probably just go shoot straight up. And a lot of people would put in some buy orders and we would get another all-time high. So that's what I'm seeing on the 1 hour. We're going short-term uptrend. On the daily, still looks like a rejection here. We have to wait to see if this candle will close, because then you can see the pattern we're getting is a evening star. So we've broken, we've retested, we've got a inverted hammer there. So if I take my Fibonacci, let me just go from, oh, sorry about that, top to the bottom. Okay, so it's above the 38.2, which means it could be a valid inverted hammer. People call these morning stars as well. It's just a name, just depends on what you prefer. So on the daily, we could still be getting a rejection. And if this plays out, we could come back down and fast like the Titanic. So we would sink very far and hopefully bounce off of here and get consolidation. So we could consolidate as well. We could slowly come down, just consolidate down like this, and then slowly start going back up. So that's what I see in the short term for Bitcoin. Ethereum, looks like we're still holding the neckline here. So we've broken out, we've made the double bottom pattern, we've come back down, retested, broken up. We're now hovering above this neckline, which is good. We're consolidating here. So if we bounce off the neckline, Then we go further up to resistance. And if we break this, then we're probably going to go up higher and get higher highs and higher lows. So Ethereum's doing well at the moment. You could, if you wanted to, also put a trend line here and say we're in a short-term downtrend, getting rejected as well. So you could see something playing out. We go up, down, go back down, and we consolidate in this range and break out. If we get enough buying momentum, then if we bounce off of this neckline, we would probably break and go higher. And Shiba, nothing's really happened with Shiba. We're just consolidating. There's quite a few whales that are buying into Shiba at the moment. On Twitter and whale stats, quite a few people who are putting in a lot of money into Shiba. So they could be getting ready to pump the price up. We'll just have to wait and see if it does move up, or if Bitcoin goes down, then Shiba will follow down with Bitcoin as well and break the support and then go further down. So that's my quick update for today, guys. I just wanted to let you know that Shiba, if I just share my screen quickly, has now been added to Traval. This is a website where a lot of people can come and actually do hotels and plane flight tickets with their crypto. So you just go to traval.com and you can do stays, flights. So these are all the coins that they've added at the moment. Shiba has just been added. So it's one of the most recent ones that's been added. And you can pay for, Steven says, yeah, book up to 2.2 million hotels and accommodation worldwide using these payment methods, which if you're not sure of this website, you can go on here, and because a lot of people are getting ready for the lockdowns to end with COVID and everything, they are looking at this website, and it's very eye-catching because you don't have to use money. You can use cryptocurrencies. So if that's interesting to you guys, then yep, go to traval.com and just take a look at the website. And also on the right-hand side of my video here, there's a little subscribe button. So if you haven't subscribed or liked the video, please like the video and then click on the subscribe button. And down below is a link to a community Discord that I run, where you can go through and communicate with other people, do charts, technical analysis, which the link is down below in the description. So if you'd like to come along and be part of the crew and join us in learning more about crypto, then sign up, guys. Hopefully see you there on Discord. Cheers. Thanks for the video.